Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Mary Andado, 26 years old, from Cavite, Manito, Albay.
And your marital status?
Single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 5 years old and 7 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 4.
And your order in the family?
Youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm senior high school graduate.
Why did you not go to college?
For financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I work for 2 years in one family. My duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a dedicated person and hard work.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For support my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos.
I will talk to them calmly.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I promise to you to be a good worker, and I am hardworking and trustworthy. And if you have children, I will love them as my own. And I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.